Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. Today I'm at the 2019 IADC Drilling HSET Europe Conference in Amsterdam. And I have with me Martijn Dekker, who is VP Strategy for Projects and Technology with Shell. Martijn, thank you for being here.
Great being here, Linda.
So you gave a presentation today about Shell's Sky scenario. Can you tell us briefly what that is and what you hope to achieve with it?
Sure. So the Shell Sky scenario is one of Shell's scenarios. And this particular scenario describes a possible future, so it's not a prediction, but a possible future how the world may be able to achieve the ambitions of the Paris Agreement, which basically is a net zero emissions world by 2070. And by creating this scenario, we want to show how it is possible for the world to achieve that.
So can you tell us what are some of the things that need to happen either in the government world or in the private sector in order for this scenario to become reality?
Well, the first point to make is that a lot of actors need to work together. So society, governments, the private sector, markets, you all need to collaborate and take joint action that's reinforcing each other. So everyone needs to pitch in. And then there's a couple of elements that underpin this scenario which need to happen. So it's a fivefold increase in the electricity system, so much deeper electrification. And that energy needs to come from new energy systems like solar, wind, biofuels, etc. It needs a significant increase in energy efficiency. I mean, a threefold increase in the rate of energy efficiency. What it would also need is carbon pricing models, so that actually carbon is priced adequately, so that it creates a common playing field. It also needs carbon capture and storage, so that for those activities where we still emit carbon dioxide is actually taken off and put back into the ground. And it needs a stop of deforestation. Now, the thing that's underpinning this, which may be most important, it needs a change of consumer mindset and behavior. Actually, consumers need to start using less energy and demanding and wanting to pay for cleaner energy.
So what would you tell the oil and gas drilling industry on why they should be talking more about climate change?
Well, the energy system is going to change because the consumer and the basically societal expectations are changing. And there's arrival of alternative energy forms that are quite cost competitive. So the energy will change. So the question is, do you going to let it happen to you, or are you going to be an active part of it? And I believe that being an active player in this will actually reap you great rewards.
So it sounds like you're saying that the industry should position itself as part of the solution.
Yeah, absolutely. Because, I mean, the energy system is going to change because it's what society expects, and it's also, there's alternate forms of energy. Now the question is, are you going to be a part of it, or are you going to let it happen to you? And I believe there's great opportunities actually if you're an active player. So take, for instance, for the drilling community, what can we do to reduce our energy use? Can we be more energy efficient? Can we use cleaner forms of energies on our operations? Or the carbon capture I mentioned. It needs requiring a lot of wells need to be drilled. So that's a role that the drilling community can play. So yes, there's absolutely a lot we can do.
Well, thank you so much for being here, Martijn, for sharing us with your thoughts on this Sky scenario.
Okay, thanks. It was great being here.
And thank you for watching us on drillingcontractor.org.